The Maastricht Treaty, unveiling the pillar of European unity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through history and politics to understand a key element in Europe's unity, the Maastricht Treaty. Whether you're a student, a history enthusiast, or just curious, this video is crafted to simplify and explain the significance of this historical document. So, let's dive in and decode the mysteries of the Maastricht Treaty together. The Maastricht Treaty, officially known as the Treaty on European Union, was signed on the 7th of February 1992 in Maastricht, a charming city in the Netherlands. But why is this treaty so significant? It marked a monumental moment in European history, paving the way for the creation of the European Union, EU, as we know it today. It wasn't just a treaty, it was the foundation for a new era of cooperation, unity, and peace in Europe. The Maastricht Treaty is structured around three key pillars, each serving as a cornerstone for the European Union's structure and operation. Let's unwrap these pillars. 1. The European Communities. This first pillar represents the continuation and expansion of previous European communities, focusing on economic integration, including the groundbreaking introduction of a single currency, the euro. 2. Common Foreign and Security Policy, CFSP. The second pillar marks the EU's move towards a unified external policy, aiming to present a cohesive stance on international affairs, defense, and security. 3. Justice and Home Affairs, JHA. The third pillar emphasizes cooperation in the fields of justice and internal affairs, striving to create a safer and more secure Europe for its citizens through collaboration in combating crime, terrorism, and other internal challenges. The Maastricht Treaty didn't just lay the groundwork for economic and political integration, it also brought Europe closer culturally and socially. It introduced concepts like citizenship of the European Union, granting EU citizens the right to live and work anywhere within the member states. It also set ambitious goals for social policy, education, and environmental protection, reflecting a collective commitment to not just economic prosperity but also the well-being and advancement of its people. The Maastricht Treaty is more than a document. It's a testament to unity, cooperation, and the shared vision of a peaceful and prosperous Europe. As we've explored its structure, pillars, and profound impact, it's clear that this treaty stands as a pivotal point in Europe's journey. Thank you for joining me today to uncover the essence of the Maastricht Treaty. I hope this video has been enlightening and informative. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.